Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of hops. This is a crucial ingredient in the beer brewing process, one of the most popular beverages in the world. From cultivation and harvesting to production, the journey of hops will be detailed in this video, helping you gain a better understanding of how each beer is brewed and reaches consumers. Hops, scientifically known as Humulus lupulus, may not be as famous as barley or other essential ingredients, but its role in beer production is indispensable. Hops balance the sweetness of malt with bitterness. At the same time, it creates the characteristic aroma of each beer, and also acts as a natural preservative. Let's start by learning about the cultivation process of this plant. Unlike many other crops, hops are propagated through roots or underground stems. Farmers can choose to cut the underground stems, or use leaf cuttings. The underground stems of hops are usually harvested at the end of winter, when the plant enters dormancy. In the spring, hundreds of workers gather on vast fields to collect the underground stems, preparing for the new planting season. Another method is to use leaf cuttings or hop seedlings. They are nurtured in greenhouses during the off-season. Since they have already started growing, these seedlings are usually planted later than the underground stems. Hops are a climbing plant, requiring specific growing conditions and a vast space. To prepare for planting, farmers first need to build a trellis system for the plant to cling to. Hops can grow over 6 meters tall, so a strong support system is essential. The trellis wires are anchored into the ground, and seedlings are planted right beneath them. The Hallertau region of Germany is one of the most famous hop growing areas. As early as the year 736 AD, there were records of hop cultivation here. From then on, hops have become an essential ingredient in beer production, helping to enhance flavor and extend shelf life. At the end of summer, hops begin to bloom. This is a sign that harvest season has arrived. The best way to determine the right harvest time is based on their distinctive aroma. The flowers will emit a strong and unique fragrance. Based on their size and texture, farmers can decide the optimal harvest time. When the hops reach peak ripeness, the harvesting process officially begins. This is a crucial stage, as the quality of harvested hops directly affects the flavor and quality of the beer. Today, the most common harvesting method is using a bottom cutting machine and a top cutting machine. First, A tractor moves along each row of hops, cutting the stems near the ground. After that, the top cutting machine trims the stems from the trellis. The hops then fall down, are collected into specialized trucks, and transported to the processing machines. The harvesting equipment must operate precisely to protect the delicate hop flowers, since they contain lupulin glands, a crucial component that produces hop essential oils and alpha acids, which are key factors in creating bitterness and the distinctive flavor of beer. At the processing facility, the hop flowers are gently separated from the vines through an automated process to harvest as many as possible, while maintaining the integrity of the flowers. After being detached from the vines, the hops are transported on conveyor belts to an advanced sorting system. This sorting process removes impurities and any hops that do not meet quality standards. The high-quality hops then continue to the drying kilns. Here, they are evenly spread out on drying beds. Hot air at 120 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, approximately 49 to 66 degrees Celsius, is blown through the drying beds to dry the hops. The drying process aims to reduce moisture in the hops to enhance long-term preservation. Freshly harvested hops have about 75% moisture. But to maintain quality during storage, they need to be dried until the moisture content is reduced to about 9% to 10%. After drying, hops are usually compressed into pellets or ground into powder, depending on the needs of breweries. Let's explore the beer brewing process. First, barley is crushed to extract the maximum amount of sugar and necessary enzymes. The result is malt flour, a key ingredient in creating wort. This wort will go through several stages before gradually becoming beer. Malt flour is mixed with hot water in the mashing process. This mixture is heated to the appropriate temperature to convert starch into fermentable sugars. This process creates wort, a sweet liquid that serves as the foundation for beer fermentation. After mashing, the wort is filtered to remove solid particles from the malt, leaving only the liquid. Next, the wort is boiled. At this stage, hops are added. Hops not only balance the bitterness, but also create the unique aroma of beer. Depending on the type of beer, hops may be added at different stages of boiling, creating diversity in the flavor of the final product. after the wort is boiled and hops are added. It is quickly cooled and transferred into fermentation tanks. Here, yeast begins converting sugars into alcohol. Once fermentation is complete, the beer is aged for several weeks or months, enhancing its depth of flavor. The beer becomes clearer, ready for bottling. Then, the beer is released to the market, serving beer lovers around the world. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you now understand more about the beer brewing process and the crucial role of hops. Leave a comment below and share what you found most interesting in the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like and share the video to support our channel. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any interesting content in the future. See you in the next video.